Ah, shit. That's no flashlight, man. It's a coochie grill. I got a coochie grill, yo. No, this ain't VVS's, man. This Flawless Diamonds. This is not VVS. I told Johnny I want the most expensive diamonds he can find. He told me Flawless the best ones. I told him get it to me. These are not VVS's. Nah. Diamond boy. It's a coochie grill. Shit. Fuck. Shit. Energy. I got a energy. I need you to make me a beat right now called Coochie Grill. Send it to me. Shit. Them are not VVS's, y'all. Them Flawless Diamonds. Them the best diamonds you can find. Yeah. I told Johnny I don't want no regular diamonds, man. Don't give me nothing that anybody else got. I want the shit, yeah, I want the most expensive shit you got. This what he brought me. I told him I'm the coochie man. You can't have me out here looking regular. I don't want no VVS. I want a coochie grill.